Choosing the wrong way to build a mobile app for your e-commerce store could cost you a lot of money. We've talked to thousands of brands who wanted to launch their own mobile app, and almost all considered one of three options. You're probably asking yourself, what's the best approach? Should I pay an agency or hire developers to build an app? Should I use a DIY tool? Well, neither. For e-commerce stores, MobiLoud's website to app conversion service is the best way to launch an app. Here's why. Apps aren't cheap. Custom-built apps cost minimum $50K to launch, and in many cases, you're looking at hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that doesn't mention the cost it takes to actually run, which can easily be $100,000 per year. DIY app builders are much more affordable, but they're limited. Templates and pre-built components means a lot of things from your site won't work in the app. Complex features, custom checkout flows, unique designs, most platforms simply can't handle these. Then there's the biggest problem with app builders and custom development is the ongoing work required. With these approaches, you're building a separate platform from your website that requires separate management. It's like another storefront. You're dealing with double the work every time you make a change to your site. The ongoing time investment is much more than most brands plan for. Instead of building an app that lives separately from your website, MobiLoud converts your existing website into native iOS and Android apps. Your website powers your app. Same features, same checkout flow, same integrations, same backend. MobiLoud adds the native elements that make it feel like an app. Things like native navigation, push notifications, and a home screen icon. But your website does all the heavy lifting from behind the scenes. You launch for low cost in around 30 days with none of the limits or painful maintenance load of typical no-code app builders. Now, we've had hundreds of brands come to us for an easier way to launch their app. They didn't want their brand restricted by templates, and they didn't want the pressure of a $500,000 development bill. They wanted an app that just worked with a clear path to positive ROI. That's what they get with MobiLoud. We've helped brands all over the world, from independent e-commerce stores to global brands like Jack & Jones, launch beautiful apps that they barely need to touch. Want to see what's possible? Well, click the link below to see a free preview of your website as an app.